How to fix ineligible country on Facebook. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix the ineligible country error on your Facebook. So let us just get started. First, open up your settings. Now under your settings, you will need to go to General. After you're on General, scroll down till you find Language and Region. Tap on it. Now under Region, you will need to change your region to someplace else. And after you do that, what you'll now need to do is go back to General again and scroll down all the way. Now there you will see Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on it. Tap on Reset. And there you will see Reset Location and Privacy. Tap on it and type in your password and reset location and privacy. After you've done that, go back to Facebook and you won't be having the ineligible country error on your Facebook. So that is how you do it. That is how you fix the problem, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for this video. Stay tuned.